Hello and welcome to Friday with Faith. And my question to you today is, do you have the faith of a centurion? And as usual, I'm reading a scripture just this morning and I saw it in a much different light. And I want to share that with you today. It's coming from Matthew, the 8th chapter and the 8th verse. And the scripture is, the centurion replied, "Lord, I do not deserve to have you come under my roof, but just say the word, and my servant will be healed. For I myself am a man under authority with soldiers under me. I tell this one, go, and he goes, and that one, come, and he comes. I say to my servant, do this, and he does it." So the message in this is that this man understood authority, and I did go and read the verse 9 that followed that, because I wanted to make this point. He understood authority. He was over men. He was calling the shots. But he also understood that Jesus's words had authority, and that even if he spoke healing in regards to his servant who was paralyzed and suffering, that his servant would be healed. So this man of authority understood the authority that Jesus had with only his words. Didn't have to be there, didn't have to lay hands on him. All he had to do was speak it into existence. So I ask, do you have the faith of a centurion? And as a leader, what authority do your words have? And what type of impact are you having on those that you serve? Let's think on that today. And until I see you again, be well, be loved, be safe, but most of all, be you. God bless.